Alright, recording how to take the bike together, put it back together, take it apart, put it back together. We are, let's see, here's the back. Down here, the little adapter is going to go on right there. Here are the brakes, they're old, busted, so I'm going to take those off. Put on disc brakes. The line's going to run right up there. There's the mono shock right there. I'm going to take that one off. Runs up here along the frame, inside that holder, to the back brake, and then up to the handlebar. Here are the handlebars right here, in grip, shifter, and brake combination. The ones I got are separate. The other side too. Here's the gooseneck. There's the shock. Oh, it has center pull too. Oh, okay. So I might actually get center pull for the front shock. I didn't know it had a center pull hole. Here's a frame. I'm going to strip it and end up painting it a blue with red rims. So that's how the bike looks right now. So we're going to do a before and after.